Who are you really?
Are you your job or what you do? Are you your position or your title? Are you your gender, your race? Are you your name?
Who are you really? You are not your name, title, and role. You're more magnificent than that. You are not your experiences, emotions, even your thoughts are not who you are. You are more magnificent than that. You are not where you've been and who you know. Do not be limited by your tribe. You're more magnificent than that. Who are you really? Who are you really? Forgive yourself for all your mistakes, great and small. Forgive those who've trespassed against you. Forgiveness. The forgiving mind can easily become the grateful mind. Gratitude expands one's consciousness, enabling the individual to discover new frontiers. Honor what you say you believe in. Give up self-condemnation. For no reason at all, ensure that every single day you perform some act of kindness. Random acts of kindness are good for the soul. You are love. I am love. We are love. You are peace. I am peace. meditation and embrace the boundlessness of your inner being. Join only one tribe, the tribe of the magnificent. So from today, please remember who you really are. You are magnificent.